You want your house to look inviting, stylish, and well cared for. Not like it was stuck in a bargain bin era. But sometimes the things that make a home look cheap aren't obvious. They're small, avoidable exterior mistakes that chip away at curb appeal until even a nice house reads as neglected or tacky. Today we're going to walk through the most common exterior mistakes homeowners make that cheapen their home's appearance. Why those mistakes matter, and easy fixes you can use to give your property an instant upgrade. Stick around to the end for a few budget-friendly changes that deliver the highest return on visual impact. First impressions matter, and your home's exterior is the headline. One of the quickest ways a house looks cheap is inconsistent or low-quality paint. Faded siding, peeling trim, or mismatched touch-ups send a loud message. Maintenance isn't a priority. Even if you're not ready for a full repaint, treating flaking areas, caulking gaps, and touching up trim with a fresh, consistent color will sharpen the whole look. When paint is uneven, our eyes read the whole home as tired. A fresh coat signals care and value. Choose high-quality exterior paint. The upfront cost is higher, but it performs better against sun and weather, reducing the need for frequent repaints and keeping your house looking polished for years. Next, pay attention to the front door. It's literally the focal point. A chipped, dated, or poorly installed door makes even a well-kept home look second-rate. Replace or refinish the door if it's past saving. Otherwise, a high gloss or satin paint in a confident accent color, paired with updated hardware, will do wonders. Don't underestimate the power of a modern handle set and a matching deadbolt. Those small metal touches read as intentional and secure, elevating the entire entrance. Also check the doorstep itself. A cracked step, worn welcome mat, or crooked house numbers undermines any effort you put into other areas. Speaking of numbers, sloppy or tiny house numbers are a surprisingly common detail that cheapens a home's face. Plastic stick-on numbers look temporary. Faded numerals are hard to read from the street and give a "we won't bother" energy. Replace them with larger, cohesive numbers in metal or weatherproof finishes. Position them at eye level and make sure the style complements the architectural character of your home. These small changes are inexpensive but read as professional and thoughtful. Lighting is another major factor. A dim, mismatched, or outdated exterior light is like showing up to a party in yesterday's clothes. Old fixtures with rust or yellowed glass not only fail functionally, but also make your home feel older than it is. Swap them for fixtures with clean lines and finishes that match your door hardware. Consider upgrading to warm, energy-efficient LED bulbs with the right color temperature. Too cool lights can feel clinical, while warm light reads as welcoming. Layered lighting matters too. Porch lights combined with subtle path lights and well-placed landscape lighting give depth and sophistication, making your property look intentional and well-designed. Landscaping is where you can either showcase your home or let it drown in neglect. Overgrown shrubs, dead patches of grass, and cluttered garden beds instantly downgrade curb appeal. But the answer isn't complicated. Simple, tidy landscaping beats elaborate but poorly maintained gardens every time. Trim hedges to a neat shape, pull weeds, add fresh mulch, and plant a few well-chosen shrubs or perennial flowers. Use repetition, the same plant or color repeated sparsely, to create cohesion. A well-defined lawn edge and clean beds make even modest landscaping read as cared for and considered. Clutter around the home is a silent killer of curb appeal. Bicycles, kids' toys, stray plant pots, and storage bins scattered on a porch or driveway create a sense that the home is chaotic. Tuck these items into a garage, storage bench, or designated area. Mail piled on a porch table, faded cushions, or worn patio umbrellas should be replaced or stored when not in use. A neat, minimal porch with a couple of stylish, weatherproof pieces reads of thoughtful living. Too many mismatched or cheap-looking decorations scream afterthought. Another mistake is cheap or dated siding and trim treatments. Vinyl siding used to be sold on the promise of convenience and price, but when it's warped, dirty, or installed poorly, it cheapens the property. If replacing siding isn't in the budget, a deep clean can restore a lot of value. Power washing removes mildew and grime and brings back color. Fresh caulking around windows and trim, plus painting the trim a complementary shade, instantly raises perceived quality. Consider thoughtful accents, like adding board and batten elements or window shutters, that can make a plain facade feel custom without a full renovation. The roof is a big-ticket visual item that people often underestimate. Missing shingles, dark streaks, or sagging areas signal neglect and are among the fastest ways a home's value and curb appeal drop. If your roof is in poor shape, even the nicest landscaping and paint can't fully compensate. Replace damaged shingles, clean moss and debris, and have a professional inspect for underlying issues. If a full replacement is necessary, choose materials and colors that complement the home's style. A cohesive palette makes everything else look intentional. Garage doors and driveways are also prime places where a cheap look can creep in. An old, peeling garage door can drag down the whole street-facing side of a house. If replacement isn't an option, add a fresh coat of paint, clean hardware, and maybe some faux windows or decorative hardware to add character. For driveways, oil stains, cracks, and a ragged edge scream neglect. Repairing cracks and sealing the surface, or at least pressure washing an oil-stained driveway, makes a dramatic difference. Consider planting a strip of border plants or installing simple edging to create a clean transition between driveway and lawn. Windows can make or break curb appeal. Dirty windows, broken screens, or mismatched treatments inside the windows are subtle ways a home can read cheap. Clean windows sparkle and reflect care. Replace torn screens and consider adding uniform window treatments or blinds that look cohesive from the outside. For older windows, repair or repaint trim, and add window boxes with simple greenery for a welcoming detail. Uniformity is key. If every window has a different curtain style, the facade looks disjointed and makes the overall aesthetic feel unplanned. Porch furniture and accessories often get overlooked. Plastic, mismatched chairs, faded cushions, and too many tiny decorative items create a cluttered, low-budget vibe. Choose 2 or 3 pieces of weatherproof furniture that work together. A bench and a chair, or a small table and 2 chairs, and invest in durable cushions in a simple color palette. A single statement planter or a pair of matching pots flanking the door gives balance and intentionality. Less is more here. Curated simplicity reads as expensive. Gutters and downspouts are the unsung heroes and villains of exterior appearance. Overflowing, sagging, or rusted gutters are an eyesore and indicate potential structural problems. Keep gutters clean and aligned. Paint or replace downspouts if they're rusty or mismatched. Seamless gutters in a finish that complements the trim are a tidy upgrade that subtly elevates the whole house. Security features can also send the wrong message if they're clunky or dated. An over-the-top security sign in the front yard, a tangle of visible cameras, or rusty locks make a home look defensive and unsophisticated. Invest in discreet, modern security options. Sleek cameras that blend into trim, a smart doorbell, and professional-looking signage that says, "Protected," without screaming. Target. The right balance reassures without cheapening the aesthetic. Finally, consider the small finishing details. Broken pots, peeling paint on railings, cobwebs in corners, and a sagging mailbox are all tiny things that add up. These small items cost little to fix, but contribute enormously to the overall perception of care. Replace or repaint worn items, tighten loose fixtures, and sweep porches and steps regularly. A clean, tidy walkway and well-kept small details create an impression of a home that is loved and maintained. Before you start, prioritize changes that give you the best visual return for the least cost. Fresh paint touch-ups, a new doorknob and house numbers, cleaned siding and windows, and a tidy landscape often deliver the most dramatic improvement for the least money. If you have a little more budget, update lighting, repair the driveway, or replace gutters. Think like a designer. Remove clutter, create symmetry, and focus on materials and finishes that feel intentional and cohesive. If you take just one thing away, let it be this. Small, consistent maintenance beats periodic grand gestures. A well-loved, well-kept home never looks cheap, because the attention to detail signals value. Make a short checklist. Pressure wash siding, clean windows, refresh porch furniture, replace house numbers, and inspect gutters, and do it once each season. The cumulative effect is enormous. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this walkthrough and want more practical curb appeal tips, let me know in the comments which mistake surprised you most, or tell us what's holding you back from making exterior improvements. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more home improvement ideas that make a big visual impact without breaking the bank. See you next time, and remember, when your exterior looks cared for, the whole home feels like it's worth more.